ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
U National General Secretary ubedeiru unong Ktien ke National People Party u James ke sangma ula Takraiñ u MP ke Shillong seat ubedeiru u President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee halo ke Kynnoh bedei ne ke Jingithuh jong ke Sorkar belayalam de ke National People Party Kabla penlong ban pen Slem menyo Jingithuh no ke Ktien Khasi bedgaro haka kernet ke bapra jong geriti sensyar keri India. Habakran ba kila pathai kubor James ke sangma ketika Jingithuh jong ba pala kedai ke bamdon ke jing shisha namar babarok ki tip shai. Baya ke Ktien Khasi kala don haka thup haringkat ba ki wede ki jai Ktien hapok keri India.
Again, factually incorrect because we all know that Khasi has found its way. Of course, there's no finalization to this because it has to go to Parliament. But then it has found its way into the list, and Garo, for some reason, was at that point of time had not found its place in that list. But that was rectified, as I just mentioned, by our honourable MP, Madam Agatha. She went and met central leaders, central ministers, and that was rectified. So I think to say that it isn't being considered is factually incorrect.
Halo ke jingbam don ke Ktien garo hapok ke thop u James ula ong badang sian ke Agatha lalet banyak kendu u Union Home Minister but hadin nala ban pin bet no ya keni kamat.
I think at present, the NPP is far ahead, not just in terms of the campaign, not just in terms of outreach, but also in terms of the fact that our honourable MP has performed very well in the Parliament. She has been extensively touring and taking up issues not just pertaining to Garo Hills but also to the state of Meghalaya. We can recall that recently there was this issue where Garo language was not finding inclusion in the age schedule, and she, along with other leaders from Garo Hills, she led the delegation and she met Honourable Home Minister, and that was rectified. So we can see that in terms of her performance, she's doing extremely well. So I don't really see any kind of cause for concern.